Hey, what is up, guys? It's Rafael here, your seven-figure e-commerce coach, and today I'm going to teach you how to prepare for the new Shopify e-commerce dropshipping trend. Right? You're seeing a lot of people teaching you the same exact stuff year after year, month after month. Take a product from AliExpress, put it on Facebook ads, and it's going to work magically. Well, almost always that's not the case. That's why 99% of entrepreneurs fail in their first attempt. It's because they're not following right processes and they're not adjusting to trends. So I'm going to teach you how to prepare for the new trends, so you can be ahead of your competition and absolutely crush it. You want to watch this entire video, until the end, so that you know exactly every single step and every single thing you need to know to prepare. Let's get onto it right now. So first thing that you need to know is that dropshipping and e-commerce Shopify is going to go from the general random product, just building a random store, to the brand route. A lot of people, they had success building some general store, putting some random products on there and selling them for random prices to random audiences. They had success with that when Facebook ads were cheap, when nobody was doing this. Now that's really, really hard. And the trend is going towards the brand route. People are actually building legitimate companies and legitimate brands, not just random products and random stores. So I highly, highly, highly encourage you to start building a brand. Start thinking of a legitimate brand to build, not just some random store that's gonna make you 5, 10K a month. No, you wanna build a legitimate business, a legitimate brand that makes a lot of profit, that employs people, that makes money long-term. You don't wanna make money for the next 6 months and then never make money again. That's so stupid, right? So you wanna think of this as a long-term game, as like you're putting in the effort right now to reap the rewards in the next 3, 6, 12 months, but giant rewards, right? Not just a couple pennies, a couple dollars. So that's the first thing, right? The first thing to watch out for in the trend is that a lot of people are going from general stores to niche stores and very branded stores. And that's one of the things that made me really successful, especially with my swimsuit company, is we built a legitimate brand. We had our packaging, we were shipping from the US. We had a brand that people could come back to every single time. And when we changed from just being a random swimsuit company to being a swimsuit brand and having that brand loyalty, brand awareness, our repeat customer rate went through the roof. We are making more profit per sale. We're getting sales from referrals, right? A lot of people that bought our products were telling their friends about it and getting sales for us on autopilot, basically. We started getting affiliates and our business just skyrocketed from there as soon as we built a legitimate brand. And this is what you want to do for your entire e-commerce journey, your e-commerce store, is you want to actually build a brand and niche down as much as possible. You can start off general, niche down, build a brand, and then grow up from there. And that's how you reach the 7-figure, 8-figure, 9-figure level that I want to get to very, very soon. Now, second thing that you need to watch out for is that you need to use other types of traffic and not just Facebook, right? A lot of people are teaching you, AliExpress, take some random product, put it on Facebook ads, and it's going to magically work. Well, this is not the case anymore because Facebook ads are very, very expensive right now. So you want to combine Google, Instagram, Facebook, organic traffic all together. That's the best way that it works. Facebook is great, but it's great for, retargeting. It's great for impulse buying. It's great in combination with Google and Instagram. I encourage a lot of my students in my Inner Circle program to get cold traffic from Google and retarget it on Facebook. That's the best thing that I've seen working for me and my students, is just using Facebook as a retargeting tool for that impulse buy, for that, brand awareness. And then Google is the one that you use for the warm traffic. Because on Google, I have a training on that Google Ads tutorial. You can check it out here on my YouTube channel. And essentially it's a higher buyer intent. People want to buy that product. That's why they're searching for it. Then if you show it again on Facebook, they don't buy it from Google. You show it again on Facebook, boom, you get the sale right away, and you're making like $10 for every dollar that you spend. If you watch the training, and the first link in the description, I show you how you can get $10 for every dollar that you spend through Google and Facebook, how to combine those two, and then how to add Instagram into it again. So I see the trend going of like a lot of very successful dropshippers are going to actually go the Google and Instagram route instead of just doing Facebook ads. A lot of people that are just doing Facebook ads are going to get stuck in the mud back, and they're essentially not going to make any profits next year and the next couple of years. Step 3, or thing 3 that you have to watch out for, is you have to look for better suppliers, not just AliExpress. And what I mean by this is not like you don't need to do high ticket dropshipping, although I do encourage high ticket products. You don't need to do high ticket. What you need to do is that you need to start sourcing products from English-speaking countries as much as possible. And you need to start warehousing your products as much as you can. A lot of these successful 7-figure, 8-figure brands, they have warehoused products in the US, or they're shipping from the US. And what that gives you an edge over your competition. It gives you cheaper shipping times. It gives you better quality. It gives you, like, if your products are private labeled in the US or in Canada, UK, wherever you're based, or wherever you're shipping out of, it gives you an edge over your competition. Like, I have one of my students, he's doing like 3K a day right now, consistently 3K a day, and he ships 90% of his products from the United States. So essentially he does have some products in China, some products from AliExpress, but most of the products are warehoused in the US, made in the US, and then shipped out to his customers in 2 to 3 days. And as soon as I did that with my business, like, I warehoused in the US, shipped from the US, I saw my repeat customer rate go up through the roof, like I just talked about, and then like just the reviews and what people thought of our company and our products went up through the roof, because those products were getting there in like 2 to 3 days. The quality was really high because it was sourced in the US, shipped from the US. And yeah, that's how I see the third thing going in this trend, is that people are just going to start using English-speaking countries as their suppliers, and they're going to start looking for suppliers that are not in China, that are not sketchy like some of the suppliers on AliExpress. If you want to check that video out that I made on how to ship in 1 to 7 days from the US and all other English-speaking countries, you can check the link in the description. I put it in there, or here in the channel. Just check shipping in the channel. But yeah, those are the 3 main things. Is like, one is they're going the brand route, and a lot of successful people are going to go the brand route, and a lot of people that are going to make money, it's because they're going the brand route, and I'm doing that right now. I'm going to keep doing it the next months and years to come. Second thing is look for different sources of traffic, right? Look for Google, Instagram, Facebook, and combine them all, not just Facebook ads. And then third thing is that you need to start sourcing from English-speaking countries, not just AliExpress, because everybody can do that, right? Some random kid in wherever he is, he can take a product from AliExpress, put it on Facebook ads, and then compete with you. But if you have that edge over them, like my student, nobody can compete with him because he's making 3K a day, 2K a day, just by sourcing from the US and shipping in 2 to 3 days. Nobody can compete with that unless they do that and they put in the effort and the time in order to, source from the US. So the competition is like, you abolish your competition in that moment, and it's like really easy to stay on top of everybody else. So yeah, those are the main 3 things. That's how the trend is going to change, and those are my top 3 tips to watch out for on how to essentially beat your competition, crush your competition in 2019, 2020, 2021, whenever you're watching this. I don't know what time it is right now. If you want to comment below what time, what period of what year, what month, whatever it is you're watching this, and if you're getting value from it, do hashtag value on the comments. If you like this video, thumbs up, and click that thumbs up button. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I have a free training on how to make $10 for every dollar that you spend by combining Google, Facebook, and Instagram. Check it out in the first link in the description, or check out the other videos here on the channel. Google ads, Facebook ads, e-commerce, whatever you want to learn. It's essentially it. I'm going to give you a little tour of the beach here in Fajardo, Puerto Rico. It's really nice and windy. And I'm staying here in Puerto Rico for the next 7 to 10 days. And then we're going off to New York, and then Croatia, and then after Croatia, Poland, and then a bunch of other countries. So you'll see a bunch of nice views and nice videos coming at you on this channel. And that's it. If you haven't joined my free Facebook community, free Facebook group, join in the link in the description, and you can also book a free one-on-one coaching call with the link in the description. I'm offering them for the next couple of months. Free one-on-one coaching calls with me to address essentially the strategy that you need for your business in 2019, 2020, whenever you're watching this, how to combine those 3, Google, Instagram, and Facebook, to make $10 for every dollar that you spend. Because we don't just want to make revenue. We don't just want to make 100K months. We want to make, it's better make 50K and then make 20K profit than make 100K and make 10K profit, right? It's less effort, it's more margin, it's better for you and for everybody else. So yeah, also building a brand helps a lot with hiring. When you're hiring people, you have a vision, mission, and principles, which is what I have. I have a vision, which is creating products that help people's lives. And when you have a brand, a legitimate company, it's easier to do that, and it's easier to install it into your team, install it into the people that you hire, rather than just having a random dropshipping store that you're just doing it for money, essentially. You want to create something bigger than yourself. I always think about that, like, create something bigger than yourself, not just for monetary gain, but for like actually changing the world. Like, that's a lot of big companies are very successful, is because they have that mission and vision of We want to make something bigger than ourselves, and we want to make something that transforms and helps people's lives. That's about it for today. I'm going to stop talking. I will see you in the next one.